Not to say the schools aren't good, but they lack in teaching our children about finances. So I figured, what better way than to start a business with them about, with candy. Getting ready to go to our first location. Let's see, we talked to the owners, right, of GG, or maybe I shouldn't even talk about the name of it, but it's a hair salon for kids. Let's see how it works out. We're so excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? GG's Cuts. First location of the day. To the pizzeria. They were awesome. They allowed us to put our machine in there, so that's number 2 down. 3, we're headed back to one of the pizzerias. They said the owner would be less busy around 11 o'clock, so it's currently right around 11 o'clock, so let's see how it works out. And got Julian again with me. Dave, yeah, let's do this. I like the enthusiasm. The guy was discouraged by a previous person that had a candy machine in there. His machines weren't working properly and customers weren't happy, so it left a bad taste in his mouth. So he really didn't want any type of problems, stirring up from like any type of candy machine or anything like that. But on to the next one. We'll keep pushing. Just a quick little rant. At first, when I first started doing this, trying to get into the locations with my boys, it kind of feels like I'm being to be straightforward, I feel like really, because it feels like I'm using my kids to kind of get them in the door, the candy machines, but really that's not the case. The case is I'm really trying to teach my boys about passive income, and I'm having a hard time getting past it. But as I keep doing it, more and more, I realize it really doesn't matter what anybody thinks, as long as they're learning, and their future is secured, then it really doesn't, it doesn't really bother me. As I keep doing it, I'm getting used to the fact that, it takes a salesman to get in the door in the first place. So, that's what we're going to continue doing. So I feel better as I keep pitching. It's not as huge of a deal when I first started, But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say.
So we are going to be talking about their vending machine business, and sit back here so you can get in the camera view. Okay, so I'm missing my other child. These are the Arvello boys. This one right here is Jayden, and this one right here is
Logan.
And this is I am their mother. I am your woman? No, I am your mother. Okay.
You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so boys, what do you guys think about the vending machine business?
It's
very good.
And I too.
It's kinda perfect.
Do you like the vending machine business?
Yes.
Tell the camera, what do you think about the vending machine?
I like to knock the teddy out. I put it in the door, so I like it.
Yeah, and you make money, right?
Yeah.
What did you guys learn?
Look,
Making money,
one more thing.
always spend it and keep doing it over again. Get money,
It's
put
sour
candy.
day.
Get money, put candy.
It's sour day.
Sour day? What's sour day?
It's from sour day. It's
I think he just means fun dip.
What's that mean?
This is my son, Julian Arvello. How old are you, Julian?
5.
5 years old. What have you learned so far?
Almost every store doesn't have a room, but we did get one candy machine on day 1. And this is gonna be an exciting video. Right, Mom?
Yeah, baby.
So we're doing a candy machine business and we're trying to get lots of money.
You're trying to get lots of money. You're trying to find ways to make money, right? And then save it to invest into what? Other things? Other business?
Yeah.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And we could even buy whatever we want.
Yeah, well, we're going to find out how much you make from one vending, right? One vending machine.
So I wanted to start this candy machine business for my boys. I wanted to teach them about passive income, entrepreneurship, business, and finances, because I feel like, not to say the schools aren't good, but they lack in teaching our children about finances. So I figured, what better way than to start a business with them about, with candy. I mean, kids love candy. They always want candy. I mean, at least my kids do. So I figured they would be more interested. So I went on Letgo. I bought a machine off this dude. It was a good drive. I mean, it was a 30-minute drive. I ended up getting it for $25. It needed a lock and a key, but with the lock and the key cost, it ended up being $53. So not a bad deal for our first candy machine. Fast forward a week, we ended up getting another machine, a triple head machine, for $100. That actually led to a better network opportunity where I met this really nice guy. Right now, guys, what are we looking at?
Looking at a machine.
We're looking at the candy machine.
Candy machine.
Nice.
I'm trying to make some money.
Yeah. I can't see it.
You know what? I want to put one out. I want to see what's going on because I actually haven't even opened the box.
He had an abundance of machines. He wanted to get rid of them all at the same time, and he was really nice, and he was willing to help us out. We got really lucky. So he had, I think, a total of, I want to say 25 machines. He sold us 24 of them for $900. It amounts to like $40 each for a triple head machine. So I don't know if you know anything about triple head machines, but they're roughly like $160 brand new. A majority of them were in the box, so they were brand new. And really, that's how we really got started. And now it's just getting them into the doors, contacting different people, networking, introducing my boys to every business, and letting them speak a little bit, letting them get the feel of it. So far, we've got one location, working on 3 others, and let's see how it goes. I'm excited about this opportunity. I really want them to learn, the necessity of having passive income and being able to expand their reach as far as finances go, and let's see how it goes. I'll see you next time.